Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus, a powerhouse 5G smartphone that's set to redefine your gaming and multimedia experience. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus design and build. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus boasts a sleek design with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels and a 144Hz refresh rate, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The phone is available in 3 stunning colors: Midnight Black, Moonlight Shadow Titanium, and Starlight White, with a stylish matte finish that resists fingerprints. Weighing just 196 grams and with a thickness of 8 mm, it feels comfortable and light in hand. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage, though there's no card slot for expansion. The phone runs on Android 14 with Origin OS 4, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is where things get interesting. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus features a 50-megapixels main camera with a Sony Lead 600 sensor, ensuring sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. There's also an 8-megapixels ultra-wide camera for capturing broader scenes. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixels front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 30/60 FPS, ensuring you capture stunning photos and videos. Battery and charging. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is equipped with a 6400 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 80W fast charging, getting you back up and running in no time. iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus unique features. One standout feature of the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is its dedicated Q1 gaming chipset, providing an enhanced gaming experience with reduced latency and improved graphics. The phone also boasts stereo speakers with high-res audio support, providing an immersive audio experience. Additionally, it has an in-display fingerprint scanner for quick and secure access. Conclusion. So, is the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus the ultimate gaming phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone that can handle all your gaming and multimedia needs, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.